Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for watching this video today and for always supporting. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Antoinette. I post videos every week about luxury, lifestyle, fashion, beauty, and travel. If you're into that kind of stuff, if you would consider subscribing and click that notification bell so you'll be notified the next time I post new videos. So for today's video, I wanted to talk about some of the upcoming bags from Louis Vuitton. So there are some bags that are coming for the summer collection, as well as I'm gonna talk a little bit about their upcoming pre-fall collection. I'm not gonna talk about the Fornasetti fall winter collection. I'm gonna do that in a separate video, so please stay tuned for that. So for today, I'm just gonna talk a little bit about what's coming up for the spring summer, as well as for the pre-fall collection. And there's a lot of cute bags for the pre-fall collection, and I'm so excited to share that with you. So first and foremost, let me start with the spring summer. So for the spring summer collection, they're gonna have a collection called Wild at Heart. So what this is gonna be, it's gonna be like animal print. So right now I only see some bags for this collection. So here I'll show you the on the go, and it looks like it's in medium, and as you can see on the side of the bag, it has the animal print. It looks like a leopard print, and it is wild, it's different, and it's definitely gonna stand out if you have this bag. And I really like it. The handle also has some kind of animal print, and so this is gonna be cute. So if you're into animal print, Louis Vuitton is gonna have this in the summer collection pretty soon. I know Louis Vuitton had the animal collection back in 2019, so now they're gonna have it again this year. So for that collection, it's gonna come out pretty soon. So the next animal print that I'm gonna show you is this Félicie pochette. This one is so adorable. The leopard print is on the side of the bag. It's super cute. It's very tiny though. I mean, you could barely see that animal print on the side, and it's an empreinte leather, it looks like. So yeah, it's another cute one if you love the smaller bag and you want an animal print. The Félicie pochette will have this one in the leopard print or animal print. But this one to me is kind of odd because it's just the side and it's really tiny. So you know, I wish they would have like incorporated it a little bit more, like maybe like the flap, it would have a little bit of an animal print, but here it's only on the side. So to me, it's kind of doesn't kind of blend together, but if you're into this bag, then go for it. The third one that is also going to be in their Wild at Heart collection is the Neverfull. It will also come out in animal print, and this one looks a little bit more simpler than the on the go. It doesn't have a chunk of animal print all over the bag. It looks like they're just kind of incorporating it with the monogram print. As you could see it around, and some of the animal print color that is around the bag. So I really like this one. It's simple and it's not so wild. Again, I don't see a lot of the bag. I don't see all the angles. And later on, if I do see this and more of this collection, I'll post another video. And here are some more cute pieces from that collection. But I'm pretty sure it's gonna have ready to wear as well as other bags as well. So please stay tuned for that, and it's coming soon. All right, so let's move on to their pre-fall collection, and this is really going to be interesting. We see how Louis Vuitton is not shy as far as introducing new palettes to their collection. As we see the By the Pool collection, that's another beautiful palette. I love the ombre and the combination that they did with the on the pool. So for the pre-fall, it's another brave act from Louis Vuitton, and they're introducing a totally new palette. So the pre-fall collection is gonna launch pretty soon, and it's gonna have a lot of vibrant fun colors. And I'm thinking for the pre-fall, it's gonna have that 80s vibe, like the neon, the bright colors. So that's gonna be like the vibe for the pre-fall. And you might wonder, why are we gonna be having like a bright color and it's gonna be a pre-fall? And again, you know, that's Louis Vuitton. They wanted to be bold and they wanted to stand out. So looking at the colors, I think it would be a great pop of color for your fall wardrobes or pre-fall wardrobes. So it's going to be a great pop of color, and I'm going to show you the colors for this pre-fall collection. And this is designed by Louis Vuitton's creative director Nicolas Gasquier, and he's very inventive. So I really like a lot of his collection. I love all his creations. So yeah, so for this pre-fall collection, I'm gonna show you, I don't have a lot of bags for this collection, but I'll show you what I got. And I'm also gonna link it down below as far as where I got the pictures from, and I also got some of these from Louis Vuitton. So now let's get into the bags. So the first one is the Coussin bag. So the Coussin is the it bag for the summer. I know many of you might not like it, but Coussin is here to stay for the pre-fall, and they have a lot of colors for the Coussin bag. It's gonna come in pink, it's bright pink, it's gonna come in bright blue as well as black, and this collection is super colorful. So many of you might not really a fan of the Coussin bag. The Coussin was introduced in the spring summer collection, and a lot of ladies really love this bag. And so the Coussin is coming back for the pre-fall, and I really think the Coussin is here to stay because it was the it bag for the summer. And for this collection, there's a lot of colorful bag for the Coussin, and I'm going to show you the pink. So the pink is a really colorful bright bag. It will definitely give that pop of color for your fall wardrobe. It has the purple monogram empreinte, and so if you love this kind of color and if you love pink, then the Coussin will come in this color for the pre-fall. Another color that the Coussin will have is a blue, and it looks like this one, it has the red monogram, and I really like this. I prefer the blue than the pink. To me, the pink is really bright. But yeah, but if you're not into bright colors, the pre-fall Coussin bag will also come in black, so that will also come for this collection, as well as it's also going to have the beige color. So if you like neutral for your pre-fall, then it's gonna have the black and the beige. And as I could see here, it also comes in more of a subtle blue. As you could see here, is the lighter kind of baby blue. I would really go for this. I really like this color, and it's gonna be coming for the pre-fall collection. As you all know, the Coussin, it comes in a canvas strap as well as the chunky chain strap. So you could do either way. You could dress it up, dress it down. You could just wear it with a canvas strap, or you could just wear it with the chain strap. And you could also wear it like a clutch with just the chain strap. All right, so moving on to the next bag. They also introduced this bag for the spring summer, will be the utility bag. So the utility bag will be in the same palette as the Coussin bag. I'm gonna show you the utility bag, and in fact, I really like this. So it's gonna have the pink, it's gonna have the blue, it's gonna have some yellow, as well as if you're not into that, it will also have the plain blacks. And I love how they designed this bag where the monogram adorn just one pocket. So even though it is bright, it's just like one pocket that has the monogram. So if you want simplicity yet you want that pop of color, then the utility bag is a great bag. I really like it. Again, I'm not a fan of the bright pink color, and it will also come in this yellow. It has a red monogram empreinte on one of the pocket. And to me, it would be a perfect everyday bag, and you could even pull it off for the spring summer. However, if you don't like the bright color, then it would also come in a plain empreinte black leather. So yeah, so it is available on plain black, and I would definitely prefer the plain black more than the other colors. But if you're playful and you want to try different colors, different palette, then definitely try the brighter colors for this pre-fall collection. So the third bag for the pre-fall collection is a bag that I really like. When I saw this, I said I really wanted to get this, or at least I wanted to see this bag in person. Is the Pochette Coussin, or the mini Coussin. And this is super cute, and I love everything about this bag. This model wore it as a waist bag. You could wear it as a waist bag, and you could also wear it as a clutch, and it can also be worn crossbody. And I'm going to show you some of the pictures for this one. It comes in this green color, and I really like this. It's like a mint green, and you know, as you can see here, she's wearing it as a belt bag. And if you're not into bright colors, it also comes in black. As you can see here, this bag is really cute. So this is going to be the first time that this Coussin pochette will be introduced. It's going to be introduced for the pre-fall collection, and as far as I'm concerned, I'm really digging the colors, but I could go with this mint, and I really like this. And this blue, it's not so bad as well. It has the red bicolor as well, and you could also wear it different ways. And I love bags like this. I love versatile bag that you could wear it different ways, and it's another cute addition. And I'm pretty sure this is going to be popular, especially if you love the smaller bags and the functionality of this bag. I really think this is a cute addition, and they're going to introduce this for the first time for this pre-fall collection. So moving on to the next bag, it looks like a Papillon BB. It's another season, another design, and this time it has a totally different look. It has the S-lock closure used by the trunk bags, and I love the contemporary look. It's gonna be a different version of the Papillon. I really like this. It looks like a trunk bag, and again, it will have the same color palette as the other bags that I had mentioned earlier. So it would come in pink, as well as it would also come in yellow, and this is all gonna be leather. I heard that Louis Vuitton is really leaning towards releasing more leather than the canvas, so I think that's why they have so much leather. If you notice from the By the Pool collection, they had so much leather bags that they introduced in that collection. So for this pre-fall collection, these bags that I'm gonna mention, it looks like they're gonna be mostly in leather. And so this Papillon, it looks like it's gonna be in the epi leather. It looks like in this picture. So that, as you all know, that Louis Vuitton did introduce the Papillon. They had another revival for the Papillon for the spring summer collection, for their By the Pool collection. They had a beautiful colors of the Papillon. It would have the canvas strap as well as the mini chain strap, and I see it that it also comes in monogram print, but this looks like it's all leather. So I love the contemporary look of this Papillon, and it's a cylindrical bag, and it's really cute. Yeah, so stay tuned for this bag. This is gonna be another hit from Louis Vuitton. All right, so moving on to the next bag is one that I'm excited about. Is another Speedy, and it's gonna be a Speedy 22, and I really like this. There is a new Speedy in town with a bigger size than a Nano, and this is gonna be the Speedy 22, and this is gonna be in empreinte leather. And this is actually the perfect mini for me. The Nano for me is too small. The 25 is slightly bigger for me if I want to go with a mini bag. So the Speedy 22 is a perfect size between the Nano and the 25. And right now I only see this one in black, but I'm already excited because it looks like it would have the double strap as well. It looks like it would have the chain as well as the leather strap. So I'm excited to see more colors for the Speedy 22. I'm sure it's gonna come in the brighter color as well, but I'm just excited for the black, and I'm really hoping if they release this one in the canvas, I really hope they would. But the Speedy 22 is a perfect mini bag for me. I really like this, and I'm excited to see what are the colors that are gonna come out. So yeah, so the Speedy 22 is coming, and right now we're only seeing a black empreinte leather. So yeah, so I'm excited for this. All right, so moving on to the last bag that I wanted to mention is the caramel bag that is coming for the pre-fall collection. And this one is gonna be in Alma BB, and it looks so beautiful. It's in all caramel color with the gold hardware. So the monogram design is embossed in gold. I really like it. I think it's classy. It's really cute. It's also come in Rendezvous. So the Alma BB as well as the Rendezvous will have it in caramel color. But again, these are the only two bags that they're showing right now. They might come up with another bag or another design for this color. So, you know, for those of you that like your caramel bag, and I think this is just simple, it's elegant. I love my Alma BB, so I definitely would want to check this out. And I'm curious as far as what other colors that they're gonna introduce in this all leather. I haven't seen this type of leather in Louis Vuitton. So, you know, as we all know, we've seen Louis Vuitton in the Mahina, we've seen it in the empreinte, we've seen it in the epi leather as well as the vernis. But this is the first time that I actually see it in it looks like a lamb skin or calf skin or smooth calf skin, and it has that gold monogram design around it. So you know, it's exciting to see it in person. And price wise, I don't know how much this is, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna be on the higher price range. So yeah, so I'm excited to see all these upcoming bags from Louis Vuitton. So what do you guys think? Is there anything that you particularly like for this collection? For me, I'm curious about the Speedy 22. I'm really curious about that, as well as the Pochette Coussin. I really like to have a smaller bag that I could wear different ways. So I'm excited between those two. I'm more excited between the Speedy 22 because I really wanted something that I could wear as a daily bag and with the perfect size. Again, thank you so much for watching this video today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a blessed day, and I'll see you on my future videos.